How much months in the year have 28 days?
No February.
Wagwan people, you don't know your boy Jnel back at it again with the next episode of the questions. And watching them, I can tell about the background people. You don't know, so they are UWI right now on the campus.
People don't know stupid out there. You don't know bigger photography.
Yo,
that's bigger comedy.
Yeah, are UWI there now?
Oh, are UWI? With there UWI people. We know what to do.
Yeah.
Subscribe, share, with there.
Yeah. Hit the like button.
Definitely.
I'm watching the people with the smart pants them there.
Very
you know what I mean by smart pants? No?
Yeah.
Like we just feel like so they might get everything right.
Damn. We can see what I go. We are going to the streets, make two move and see what we can catch and enjoy the laugh still.
But watch out, many people don't follow you on Instagram and them thing there.
Oh yeah, bigger photography on Instagram. You can't miss. I don't know, Double Trouble will come up, big bad party.
Yeah.
Definitely. Look out for it. We did it. We are work.
Yeah. So watch out people, you don't know. I'm moving now, you see me? Yeah. Alright, first thing bro, just give me a name.
Carlton Williams.
Javon.
I'm Shyla, but you can follow me on TikTok at Skillfully Shy.
You know one thing when I like go beach and see? The couple them. You see me? You like far corner, far in the beach. You feel like you alone can brace on your booby?
I'm Zakela. You can follow me at Instagram at _Zakela.
Shaq. Dejan. Yeah.
Shauna.
Richard.
Sayila.
Urel.
JC.
Stefan.
Oh, Marshall came.
I don't know nada, you see me?
Square King. What's up?
People from the name are supposed to know, you get me I say?
One Squirt King.
Johnny.
Lauren.
What do you sit on, sleep on and brush your teeth with?
Ask her first.
You sit on it.
Yeah.
You sleep on it. And brush your teeth with it.
Yeah.
Go to sleep.
Whoa, wait. Sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with.
One object, one thing.
One object?
One answer for the three of them.
Yeah.
Repeat that again there.
What do you sit on, sleep on and brush your teeth with?
I know that one is rough, man. So, I need a little time to think about that one, man.
Sit on, sleep on. And them?
What do you sit on, sleep on and brush your teeth with?
I don't know.
Do you sleep on?
Sit on,
Sit on?
sleep on and brush your teeth with. What do you sit on, sleep on and brush your teeth with?
It says what I sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth on.
Brush your teeth with. What do you sit on, sleep on and brush your teeth with?
Sit on, sleep on.
Man.
Where you sit on,
Sleep on and brush your teeth with.
sit on a chair. I don't know. Sleep on your bed. Brush your teeth with a toothbrush.
No. From the man, I trim say brush. I say brush, I'm the last from that.
Use your brain, bro.
I don't have one.
Come again?
What do you sit on, sleep on and brush your teeth with?
Sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with. I mean, nothing come to mind.
What do you sit on, sleep on and brush your teeth with?
What do you sit on, sleep on? Alright, sit on chair, you know. Sleep on bed. Brush your teeth with toothbrush.
Man, nigga.
Me don't know that. Give up, man. What answer
Seat,
this?
bed, toothbrush.
I think I want answer you want.
That's the trick. That's the trick. Alright, the first thing, spell silk.
Silk. SILK.
SILK.
What?
Silk.
Silk. SILK.
S-I-L-K.
Silk. 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 I want the kind of tricky still.
Silk man, not the material.
Anything I can learn, I'm leave it alone. You see me? So, when I go fall for that one.
May I give you the spelling then? Oh, that's all.
Go on.
S-I-L-K.
Silk.
Yeah. S-I-L-K.
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 Say it 3 times fast.
S-I-L-K. S-I-L-K.
No, say the word silk 3 times fast. Yeah.
Silk, 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 silk.
Silk, silk, silk.
Silk, silk, silk.
Faster.
Silk, silk, silk.
Silk, silk, silk.
Faster than that.
Silk, silk, silk.
Faster than that.
Silk, silk, silk.
Silk, silk, silk.
What do cows drink?
Milk.
Water. Silk, silk, silk. Silk, silk, silk.
What do cows drink?
Milk. Milk.
Milk.
Milk.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm sure. Milk.
Milk.
Water. Oh boy, you can't get me that same milk.
What do cows drink?
Milk. Shit.
What do cows drink?
Yeah.
No. Milk.
Milk.
Shit.
Water, water, water.
Milk.
What do cows drink?
Water.
Water.
What do clothes what?
Cows drink.
What do cows drink? Water.
Cows drink milk.
Oh, what do cows drink?
Yeah.
Water. Water. Say confident, you know.
He said confident. I say yeah.
Swear, you know.
Water.
No. Water.
How much months in a year have 28 days?
One.
How much months in the year
Yeah, have 28 days.
have 28 days? How many months in the year have 28 days?
Yeah.
One.
One.
Oh, all of them, right? Well, every month has 28 days, but yeah, every month has 28 days.
How much months in a year have 28 days?
One. Every month I have 28 days.
One. February. Oh. No, all of them. All of them. All of them. All of them.
All of them.
What months in a year? Yeah. 28 days. What months in a year? 12 months on? 28 days.
Yeah.
One the tricky. Now focus right now. Trust me.
I think that I would say
Every month. All months, yeah.
what the lowest, what the smallest amount. I think all of them have 28. Because I think all of them have 28.
How much months in a year have 28 days?
All of them. All of them.
How much months of the year have 28 days?
One.
One man, February.
Oh, no, sir. 12.
How much month? Wait, what?
How much months of the year
February.
have 28 days?
How much?
How much months in the year have 28 days?
February. No, not February. Wait there. Every single one of them.
Tell about them.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of The Questions, which is episode 11. I don't know where they're on UWI campus. So I know say, yo, the next question is, where's the next video? But watch them, I want to leave it in the comments. Or anyone leave in the comments, where I go the next. I get them, I say, thanks for watching, guys. I don't know your boy Jnel. Please remember to like the video. Click the like button. Big, I make them know, so click the like button, you see me?
Yeah.
So watch the peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel, and I'm out.